What were some of the staffing challenges you faced when you began your career in staffing, and how did you overcome that with technology?
Healthcare is still antiquated from a technology perspective. Even though, from a healthcare perspective, obviously you would think that, clinically, medically, we're trying to find the newest solutions to things like COVID-19, curing cancer, all of, so there's obviously that type of research that's going on, but the use of technology in healthcare has always been a little bit behind. Ultimately, leveraging technology really was the game changer for our staffing company.
How has life changed for you specifically since the advent of COVID-19?
The biggest change, and I think this is the change that I think everyone has experienced, is the remote working. We've seen productivity increase. We've seen a sense of accomplishment.
There is a growing notion about Silicon Valley entering in-home care. So do you see big companies like Apple, Google, and Microsoft venturing into digital healthcare?
Yeah, no doubt. No doubt about it. We need to fill that shortage gap. We need to have more physicians. There should be a national licensing board for all clinical professions. If we could figure out a way to do some type of global licensing, that would be outstanding as well. My estimation is that 50% of the people that are working from home now will never go back to a normal workplace environment. Trying to get into a new normal for everyone, to say our new normal is that, we can't just all stay at home. Not trying to get political or anything like that, but just saying that
no, I agree with you.
Yeah, we can't just stay at home, right? We've got to live our lives. Telehealth is really not just is it a safety situation for both the clinical provider and the patient. It's a safety situation for both, but it also is a way to make care more efficient. We've reached out and vetted different companies and found companies like OSP Labs to come in and create our technology. And just a shameless plug for OSP Labs. This is my first time working with a company that has been so thorough. These guys are amazing, and I'm not saying that to plug or to just don't pay me to say that. But if you really are looking for someone for a technology solution, these guys are the real deal.
I mean, yeah, if we could put a man on the moon in 1969, as I said to you before, we could certainly resolve this.